Hey guys, Chris here back from CNH Small Engine. Got another quick video here for you guys. We're at my cabin up here today, so we'll be doing some test videos up here. I got a new magazine. This is the first magazine we'll be trying out up here in the weapon up here. This is a puff gun magazine specifically for that. I purchased this probably about a couple weeks back, and I just want to try out one of these magazines because they're relatively cheap out. They're only about $9 from Legion USA, and I purchased one here just to do a test of it to see how the functionality was and the overall effectiveness as well as too, because I put this thing in my storage for about a week, and I had it sitting for about 1 week, about 29 rounds in the actual magazine, and I brought it up here, and I was going to do a test video up here for the actual functionality, see how it functions and see how it feeds a variety of ammunition up here. Right now we'll be testing out the lapel ammunition, because I bought a box of lapel stuff up here right now, so just do that initial testing. So we'll be trying out the good old 55 grain stuff right here, lapel 55 grain 223 Remington stuff right here, and we'll be putting the magazine back here back together. This is the puff gun. I think it's a Generation 1 puff gun magazine specifically for that, because I think the Gen 2 ones have a different texture on the back on here for reference points. So we'll try it out, see how it works over here. This one has the anti-tilt follower in it as well too, so it's really it's really easy to disassemble. You can take it apart. All you can do is just use your thumb and push on the bottom tab right down here, and it basically pops right out of the plate down here. So it's super easy to take apart. It only takes a couple seconds to take apart. You just pop the tab in and you slide off the bottom plate right here for that, and it's comes apart just like that. So we'll be doing a test video here for you guys. I got about 10 I'll take about 10 rounds in a gun right here, and we'll try that, and we'll see how the puff gun magazine functions for only $9. So hopefully it works okay. So stay tuned guys, I'll see you.